Hello Internet, welcome to Making Money. My name's Eric and this is your Daily Dollar, our financial segment where I give you one financial lesson every day to help you reach your financial goals. So, yesterday we talked about credit score. Talked about what it was, how there's different types of credit score, and what a good credit score versus a bad credit score is. I also mentioned yesterday that I had a situation that I used to have a very good credit score, around 800, and I had something happen, and that caused my credit score to drop to around 650. It actually was around 620 at its lowest. And I've worked that up from around 620, 650, up to about 700, 720 now. But I didn't really explain what happened. And today, I'm going to explain a little bit about what happened to me and how you can take actions to help raise your credit score to a much higher number. So first off, what the heck happened? So I had about an 800 credit score, and I didn't have many lines of credit. I had student loans and I had a car loan at the time. No credit cards, nothing else. And what I did seemed like a great idea. What I did was I paid off my student loans and I paid off my car loan. Completely 100%. I was debt free. And this seemed like the smartest thing to do. Obviously, I've paid off my debt. I've proven that I can pay off debt. But what this did was it caused the age of my credit history of open accounts to go to 0. Now, granted, technically the 600s or the 620 that I got, the 650 that I got, was only through one of the bureaus. And the other ones calculated the number slightly differently, and even though, yes, my open accounts were at 0, my closed accounts, my credit history was much longer. So it did impact one of my scores, did not impact all my scores. But once that dropped, then I had to come up with ways in which that I could raise my score. So if you're in a situation and you have a very low credit score, chances are you have a low credit score for a variety of reasons. You either don't have much credit history at all. The life of your credit history is short. You have derogatory marks on your credit score, which we'll discuss. You may have had a situation where you have a lot of debt on your credit and you're not paying it back. So you have a lot of missed payments. And those are normally the big three that cause you to have a bad credit score. There are a few other things that can happen. Again, credit scores are a little complicated, so they tend to be more than meets the eye. But those tend to be the big three that hit people the hardest and cause them to end up with a low score and have to work their way up to something higher. Okay, so how do we deal with those? So first, the derogatory marks. If you have derogatory marks on your credit score, and again, the best way to find this out is to sign up for something like Credit Karma or to contact one of the bureaus and get your credit scores, or all the bureaus. You can request your score once. I believe it's once a year from each of the bureaus. When you check your credit through Credit Karma or something like that, it doesn't count as a inquiry. What an inquiry is if a loan, or a bank looks into your credit, that counts as an inquiry. Inquiries are okay because normally, it needs to be done in order for them to get your credit score and be able to, validate you for a loan. Too many inquiries, especially all together, can be bad. Because it can cause your score, even just a little bit at a time, to drop. So when I say look into your credit score, shouldn't affect your credit score all that much. Some hard inquiries from banks and stuff like that will cause your credit score to dip a little bit. But again, even then, it's not that much. So you shouldn't be afraid of looking at your credit score. If you look at your credit score and you notice in your report that you have derogatory marks against your report for a number of reasons, either accounts that were never paid off, or it really could be a ton of different things. If there is anything in that report that you don't agree with, anything that you don't think is legitimate, because sometimes credit scores, credit reports can be wrong. If you feel that something is not legitimate, then you can dispute that. If you dispute a derogatory mark, it can be removed from your account if the bureau also determines that it actually is nothing that's legitimate. So that's one way to help raise your account if there's fake bad stuff on your account and you want to fix it. Now let's say you have a lot of credit right now, right? You've taken out a ton of loans and you haven't paid stuff back. In general, the way that you want to raise your credit score, is to have a line of credit, one or two, small lines of credit. You want to pay off that credit. If you have anything there, we talked about, paying off your debt before. This is a great way or a great reason why you should. If you pay off your debt on time and if you start paying it off quicker at the beginning, this will raise your credit score. It will actually do so pretty quickly too. If you don't have a lot of credit, your credit history is short, then it's time to start building credit. This is something that I wish I knew when I was younger. I would have opened up a credit card, nothing that I intended to spend a lot of money on. In fact, I would have looked for a credit card that I could have gotten the highest possible, limits on, and I would have paid like maybe a cup of coffee a month and then paid that off. What you want is you want to have a line of credit that has a very high limit, but you want to use very small amount of that. And you want to pay that off every month going forward. So this is big. This will help build your credit going forward. And that can be whether you have derogatory marks on your account, whether you have a lot of credit and you're paying it off, or you don't have much of a credit history. So those are the three big ways for today that you can start tackling your credit and going forward, just annihilate it. All right, guys. Big topic, talking about credit scores. This is something that will definitely help you in the long run. So start tackling this now. The sooner the better. If you like this video, always feel free to like. I appreciate it. If you've been enjoying this series, feel free to subscribe. I'm interested in hearing in the comments how you have tried to tackle your credit score. If you're aware of where your credit score is, if you are aware of any derogatory marks and have tried to fight them back, I'm always interested in hearing that kind of stuff. As always, you can find me on Twitter, link in the description, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another awesome lesson. All right, guys. See ya.